The Meghalaya TMC on Friday announced its first list of 52 candidates out of the 60 assembly seats. Former Chief Minister and Leader of the Opposition Dr. Mukul Sangma is contesting from two constituencies, Songsak and Tikrikala. TMC State President Charles Pingrop from Northmai constituency, TMC Vice President George Bilingdo from Umroi constituency. Few of the prominent names in list includes S.G. Mathur from Pulbari constituency, Zenith M. Sangma from Sakona, Miani D. Shira from Ampati, Dikanchi D. Shira from Mahendraganj, Winnerson from Salmanpara, Lazarus M. Sangma from Chokpot. Out of the 52 candidates, 15 includes the name of MLAs and MDCs. The party has also fielded 5 women candidates. Dr. Mukul Sangma said that the list of 52 candidates features 5 women candidates, which is probably the highest number of women candidates any political party has featured in the state.
Meghalaya TMC is the party who has come up with list of official nominee of 52 candidates from 52 constituencies. I think it is the largest so far, and at one go. And we have the highest number of women representatives, aspiring representatives here.
3 MLAs